The 2026 Kawasaki KLE 500 marks a significant return of the KLE nameplate after nearly 2 decades, this time as a purpose-built middleweight adventure bike that's designed for both on-road touring and light off-road exploration. The KLE 500 sits in a popular category of motorcycles, ideal for riders who want a bike that's comfortable on highways, capable on gravel or dirt roads, and manageable in city riding, without the weight or intimidating power of big bore adventure machines. At the heart of the 2026 KLE 500 is a 451 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke parallel twin engine with double overhead cams, DOHC, and fuel injection, tuned to deliver smooth, accessible power throughout the rev range, producing around 45 horsepower, 33.4 kilowatts, at 9,000 revolutions per minute, and about 42.6 newton-meters of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. This engine balances usable performance with friendly behavior for riders of varying experience levels. An assist and slipper clutch helps make gear changes lighter and reduces rear wheel hop under aggressive downshifts, a useful feature both on twisty tarmac and when slowing for trail sections. Kawasaki built the KLE 500 on a high-tensile steel trellis frame, keeping the chassis sturdy yet relatively light. Suspension is long travel and adventure-oriented, with 43mm inverted KYB front forks offering 210mm of travel and a rear Unitrack shock with 200mm of travel, both designed to soak up rough surfaces and maintain traction over varying terrain. The bike rides on classic 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels mounted with dual-purpose tires, a wheel setup that helps rolling over uneven ground while remaining stable at speed. Rider ergonomics emphasize comfort and control. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and balanced foot peg placement make for confidence-inspiring handling whether you're standing up on the pegs on a dirt track or cruising at highway speeds. Ground clearance sits around 172 to 173 millimeters, and the seat height is roughly 860 to 870 millimeters, placing riders in an engaging position for both street and gravel adventures. A 16-liter fuel tank coupled with efficient fuel consumption ensures a generous range between fill-ups, important for touring and adventures, far from petrol stations. In terms of electronics and features, the base model includes an LCD instrument panel with essential information, while the higher-spec SE version adds a colorful 4.3-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity through Kawasaki's Rideology app. Selectable ABS and riding aids help provide reassurance under braking and varying grip conditions.